Things will come out as we move forward.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today underscored the importance of interstate and international dialogue on climate change and the environment. While addressing at the first International Water Conclave, he said the objective of the conclave is to bring different departments of the government and different members of the civil society together to address the issues and not just focus on scheme implementation or completion of targets. The two-day conclave is being attended by delegates from Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Cambodia and Vietnam and stakeholders from different agencies and the international institutions. The program was also attended by Water Resource Minister Komingon Yambon, Health Minister Ambereen Lyngdoh, Minister Fisheries A.L. Hek and Secretary from the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, Debashri Mukherjee.
The objective of this actual conference and the conclave is to bring everybody together, department-wise, throughout state governments, throughout different organizations, throughout society, to realize that we need to keep our eye on the ball. And we need to address the issues and not just focus on scheme implementation or completion of certain targets. And hence, a holistic approach is required. We need to realize that there is a larger objective to what individually every department is doing, and we need to talk to each other.